Greetings people, it's I, Triple O Firestorm, and I haven't done a video in a while actually, so today I'm going to do a video, obviously. It's going to be an unboxing video, and probably going to have a little discussion about the stuff I've bought. But before I do the unboxing, I want to let you all know something. I have one of my very first G1 Transformers. Yes, it is Bombshell. Perfect condition and still in box. Really good deal as well. Got it from York last year. So, there we have it. Also, I recently got G1 Ultra Magnus and Power Master Prime from Tony, aka Sound of SG1. Much appreciated, Tony. So, yep, got some more stuff which probably cover later on. But, on to the main concept. Is this. It's a large parcel. And we're back in focus. So yeah, this has come all the way from Japan. You can see there, lots and lots of postage stamps and stuff like that. All the way from Hong Kong to be precise. 5 days delivery, which I'm very impressed with actually. I thought it'd take at least 2 to 3 weeks, but we're going to have 5 days. Wow, impressive. But anyway, on to the opening of it. Let us begin. Naturally, we're talking a hell of a lot of packaging here. Yeah. Right, that's the paper off, as you can see. It's nicely wrapped in protective poppy stuff. We shall remove this. Oh, there we go. Bear with me as I completely rip apart all this bubble wrap. Slide out. Off we go. Right. As you can see, it is further wrapped in another wrapping. Very securely wrapped. Okay, let's see what we've got. Right, to begin with, we have got all the pieces are moving around inside the box. We've got Evangelion Unit 0. Here we have. Anybody obviously familiar with the anime series Evangelion? This is Evangelion Unit 0. This is actually from this is the movie edition. So, what have we got next? Yes. We have Evangelion Unit 1. Again, this is, I believe, this is also movie edition. And finally, we have... I know what this is. This is the rifle, for a better word. This is actually one of these like super electron charged rifle thingamabob that they use to take down, let's see if I remember correctly, the 5th Angel, I believe, the weird pyramid diamond shaped thingy. This is what's used to take down that angel. I wondered what it was, Oh yeah, and also it's the shield as well. Oh yeah, they have the ESV shield in there as well. Huh. So essentially, along with that, that's basically all the kit for Evangelion Unit 0 and Evangelion Unit 1. Not a bad deal, actually. So there you have the unpacking. We've got Evangelion Unit 0 and Evangelion Unit 1. And we've also got the Postreon rifle, if I pronounced that right, and the ESV shield. These both items are actually used in conjunction with both AVA units. So that's not a bad deal, really. Not a bad deal at all. And, 5-day delivery. Very nice. Now in autofocus. Go away. Back in focus. Help! I'm out of focus. Ah! Look, never mind. But you've all seen the stuff, Evangelion Units 1, 2, and the rifle and the shield. Not a bad price. I will obviously have to do a review on them at some point. So, thanks for watching this unboxing video, guys. I'll be back with, no doubt, reviews on them. And hopefully we'll sort out the problems while the webcam's gone out of focus. So, peace out, guys.